Alright guys, welcome back to Stuck on an Island, where I'm stuck with you and we are always smiling. Now, in today's video, we are actually going to the Riu Hotel to meet up with another one of my subscribers. So we've been having a little bit of difficulties that we're gonna try to sort out. I'm gonna meet her by the receptionist table. Hopefully we can get 2-day passes, one for Judah and one for myself. So that's the plan right now. And for those of you who've been asking about Judah, oh, where is Judah, or where's Matthew, or where are these other people, guys, remember, life is life and I'm not always going to be around these people when I'm vlogging. So that's one thing to actually pay attention to. Let me ask her. She wants me to drive. You want me to drive? Huh? No? All right. So anyway, we heading where we heading. Fling, no? Show you they can fling. Show them. Yeah, I got you. All right, so at this hotel right now, and as always, man, yo, they got these bright white walls. Wait, babe, let me go get my open the door for me, please. Go get my sunglasses, because these walls, man, you might not be able to see it on the video, but think about pure white walls, and you got the sun shining on it, man. It's not the most comfortable thing for me. Hopefully I got a pair of glasses in here. I do got a pair of glasses, so I'm gooch. Pop this on real quick. This is not me trying to be cool or nothing. I'm actually trying to keep my thing functional. You feel me? Close the door, babes.
It's 26.
I don't know. I doubt it, no. Yeah. So we're gonna go sign up some forms thingy just to visit, and then we're gonna meet up with our subscriber today. They're looking all business like. What's up? Say something to the family, yo.
Hi guys.
We're just still out here just waiting to sign up the form, and then we'll be good. Oh, my gosh. Yeah, as soon as you come, yo, on the camera. What's up?
How are you?
I'm doing good. When Judah heard I was a baby, she was excited.
Yes, I know she would be, because I can tell. You're right.
Yeah, we good.
You guys look so nice. Hey. You're right. And you smell good. Thank you. Hi, Judy. Oh.
Alright, so we're gonna try to figure some stuff out, and then I'll come back to this whole
actually.
Between 3 and 4 minutes from now, and you won't lose your place in line. If you'd like us to call you back, press 1. For more options, we'll call you back at 8765.
Alright guys, so we pretty much got things sorted out, as I already knew. Like, I wasn't even phased about it. I was just checking all the possibilities. So we got everything sorted out. Judah is getting along really well with Rosemarie, and yeah, a lot of you guys watch the videos and you go, yo, you guys seem cool to hang with, and that might be true, because guess what you watch on the vlog and what you see on the vlog is real. Like, if I'm upset about something and if I don't like it, I'm gonna say it. Like, you can ask anybody about me. Like, that's just me. Like, I won't say I wear my heart on my sleeve, but you will know. You feel me? Sometimes that's a good thing, and maybe it's a bad thing too. You know, kind of try to keep your emotions intact so no one knows, but yeah, that's how I wear it. But anyway, we at the Riu Hotel, pretty much. So far, what I like about it, I really like the fact that there's so much wind out here. Jeez. Yeah, sorry, I had to deal with some stuff just now with my mic. But anyway, I like the fact that there's a lot of wind out here. You can see on Rosemarie's dress, beautiful dress, as a matter of fact. You can see like the wind movement, so I like that. Luckily enough, we're getting good. We've been getting good weather. I always tell you guys that during again with the mic, but anyway, during October, if you come early October, you gotta be careful, because it's gonna be like really rainy, and you don't want that. But like, if you come like to the ending part of October into November, there's gonna be a little bit of rain, but you're gonna get some nice sunshine. So we're heading to the room right now. Judah's looking all fly and stuff. Rosemarie was like, yeah, batty rider. He's
Yeah.
so quiet, but he looks so much like Rosemarie. I swear.
Definitely.
But when you don't like somebody, he likes.
But he gave me smiles already and stuff. I just wish he'd use his little words.
Yeah.
Say Judah.
I'm gonna say he loves Judah. Trust me.
So Rose got us some slugs. Check it out. She was like, she realized that we like to twin.
Yeah.
Sometimes
I
we
don't
matching
think it's like
colors.
on purpose. Like half
It
the
just
time
happens.
it happens.
I
Yeah.
like
thank
that
you.
as well.
And I also got
so
me
cute.
a small tripod. This is pretty cool. All right, yo, you know what I choose? I'm gonna switch out because I think I have my Crocs, but I think these look better with my outfit. To be quite honest.
You got style.
She got the cat.
Oh, but I'm not.
Listen.
I don't know what the word for it.
Rosemarie was like
Everybody.
for the young team.
Listen.
That's dope. That's dope.
Oh, if I had it next FOF
F, right?
outfit. Yeah, got you.
All right, so I just did a quick switch over to the G7X, and I'm using that tripod that Rosemarie got for me, and I'm enjoying this tripod because it gives me more flexibility to just spin it around. You know what I'm saying? Like, I didn't want to go buy a tripod like this because, you know, when you're vlogging on a budget, you kind of try to want to make sure you get like the good equipment. And I'm always going to go with the Gorilla, the bendy ones. That one's fantastic, but this one is going to be perfect for my G7X. You feel me? But anyway, enough of me talking. I'm going to show you guys, you know, what it looks like around here. Maybe one thing already that I don't like about this property is that I'm not digging that part. I'm definitely not digging that part of this property because it's very close to the airport, like literally. So you're gonna have situations where planes are gonna always be flying over. So yeah, if you're thinking about somewhere just full on peace and tranquility, maybe not. But I don't think that's the motto of this hotel anyway, because you see a lot of people around. People are just, you know, guns out, buns out, you feel me? And just chilling, you feel me? But like our motive right now is to go get something to eat and ting, you feel me? You understand? All right, so we just got to the food section, and of course the food smelled good as soon as I got in here. There's burgers and all of that. Now, this is the part that I'm not the biggest fan of, and that's because when I see too much food, I get crazy. Not a hotel problem, it's my problem. You feel me? Like I get really hungry as soon as well, not really hungry, I get really confused as to what I should get. So, what are you trying to get, babes?
Yeah, we're gonna go check out the jerk.
The jerk thing?
Yeah, you check the jerk shop.
Yeah, sure, take the jerk.
Around and then see which one you want.
All right, cool. Go to a movie star. The glasses are beaties.
Anything you want, even if I have to grab my food and then come back.
I think we decide, doesn't even matter.
Yeah. Anything you love, I might come back here.
Okay.
Just sit down because I can't say. Look at that one, Batty.
Don't.
The one in the red, right?
Yeah.
Yep, I was looking too.
I like to look at the other one, even though she's showing a bit of Batty. Not.
Yeah. The one in the middle got it. She got it.
Yeah. Trust me.
What's that over there? Like,
Oh, it's
looks,
just like boats and stuff like I think
It kind of looks like the bungalow though.
Yeah, it's a
yeah, I
bungalow.
want to go somewhere like that.
Yeah.
It looks
Ooh.
like
It's
it.
amazing over there, isn't it?
And I heard
It
that the
is.
floor is like they have glass areas so you can
Oh
look
my gosh,
down
it's
into
that's
the
so cute.
water.
Look at that, it's cute.
Yeah, so we out here at the jerk section right now, and here is pretty beautiful. Like, it's got a nice, what I like, it's got a nice vibe. Quite a few people here actually, just chilling out. And I think that's the main thing about a hotel. When you come to like an all-inclusive, you want to come here and see other people. Maybe you can interact, talk a bit, you know, good energy, especially if you travel by yourself. But I think that spot over there, the bungalows, I want to go there at some point. I'm going to do some research, and maybe guys, maybe we can make it happen. You know, the more we grow the channel is the more we get to do more outlandish and more extravagant stuff, right? Let's do it. All right, so Judah grabbed some plates, and so Rose was like, I don't know if you guys want to get burgers or whatever, but yo, the rice and peas look good. Like no matter what, Jamaican food is good on all occasions. No matter if you come a foreign place or what, always I jump for the Jamaican food, you know what I'm saying? But I'm just still interested about those bungalows. Now that I have my hand free, I'm gonna try to show you guys what I'm talking about. Those look amazing over there. Yep. Yeah, babe. Got that jerk chicken on top. Thanks, bro. Alright, so you got some baked potatoes. Have a nice little one ponytail, don't know. And the rice and peas look. What I call the rice and peas are babes? It's not Shelly, it's not Shelly. No, this is pretty like soft and nice. I can't wait to dig in on this one. Alright. So far, just looking at the food, to be quite honest, I know it has a very authentic Jamaican look. Smells. You? She's hell bent that she's a snack, guys. I swear.
Full course meal.
Full course. No longer a snack. Alright, I hear you. I feel you. Yeah, so we in line now, just waiting to get that jerk chicken done right off the grill.
Yes, the dark sauce on that side, sweetie. Yes.
Getting up close and personal.
I eat man, chop chop is the name, you know?
Yeah.
It's a game, I'm not
So you enjoy yourself a dance and thing. You have leg and tie already?
right now.
Deal with it now. So the boss said chop chop is the name, chop chop is the game. Yeah.
You know, I'm not shy, bro.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah,
don't know.
chicken madness, you know?
Yeah, man. Bless up, bro.
One love, bro. Respect. Come on down.
Alright, so you don't know. That's pretty much one of the coolest things about the people in the hotel industry. They're very personable. You feel me? That's pretty much the industry that I studied as well. And they're really super personable. Like they're gonna talk to you, have fun with you, no problem. You feel me? Cameras not, it don't matter. So Judah's taking a bite of it. What does it taste like? Tastes good?
It's better than
Bahia?
yeah.
Sorry, Bahia. Alright guys, so now that I have my cute little tripod, I can prop myself up. You guys can watch me eat like live and direct. There ain't no questions about it, baby. Yo, Rosemarie hooked me up, man. Hooked me up 100%. So
Yeah.
I'm gonna try this jerk chicken. For me, I like the leg and thigh because I think it's the softest part of the meat. Like it's not too firm.
Don't worry about the structure.
Don't worry about that.
Good texture, man.
Thank you. She's very caring. She be good with her own one.
The best way to express this rice and peas, it reminds me of something that my grandmother would make. Like seriously, the texture,
Yeah.
the same way.
I've done something like, I've got from the fruit punch which I like.
Oh my
What else
God.
have we got? What is this? Like ginger? Or something?
No, it's a mixture of iced tea and lemonade.
Oh, okay.
Can't work.
What other options have you got apart from the fruit punch?
We have
Because I've been
orange juice,
drinking it every day.
we have orange juice, cranberry juice, pineapple juice.
I think I want to try some of your cranberries.
Cranberry
Yes,
or
please. Thank you. Yeah, thank you. Tilly, are you not going to find? I'm good, thank you. Right. Tilly, you're not going to
Oh,
try and have
sorry.
some?
Can I get a Pepsi, please? Thank you, sir.
Are you not going to try some burger and chips or something?
So how can I say?
Not hungry?
It's a pretty good,
Put it on the plate.
well done jerk chicken.
Yeah?
It's not.
I'll get some chips in.
Let me repeat, it's not like the jerk chicken that you get at a Boston jerk.
Oh,
The flavor is a bit different, but nonetheless, good jerk chicken. Good. And I think the difference with that might be because with authentic jerk chicken, like you gotta make sure that you marinate for like 3-4 days. It's like a long process. I don't know if they have the time to do that here, but good. Someone I plug the best of their own here, sir. Huh? Good treatment. Trust me, cause like even just now I needed a fork because I gave you my fork.
Yeah.
And then he was like, "Don't worry, man. Just sit down. I'll bring the fork out to you." Yo, trust me. But you guys gotta know, like not all the staff is like that. So whenever you get those nice ones, you gotta like interact too.
Yeah.
Because a lot of the guests forget, like the guests think, oh, only the staff should be nice. I can tell you, it's the worst thing when you're nice to someone and they're not nice back to you, bro. You feel me? So if you meet staff and they're nice to you guys, like give them a smile, let them know. You feel me? Even if you're not gonna tip or nothing, you feel me? And that will keep the joy circulating, right?
It's a real.
Good or nice. Guys, let me say this potato, bro. This potato is made right.
I'm not a potato fan.
I am a potato fan. It's made right. All right, so you're gonna get some ice cream.
So vanilla, pistachio.
I wonder what flavor
either cherry
what
or strawberry,
company
and then that's grapefruit at the back.
it is.
Which one you want to try?
So I got pistachio ice cream, guys. It's my favorite. Guys, Judah's been on this baby settings all day. It's kind of cute. It's cute, I swear.
Oh, what? And he's on there as well.
Yeah, trust me. The first thing she said, she was like, oh, is there any babies in the kids? And I was like, yeah, there's a baby. And she's like, well, I'm gonna have a good day.
Trust me.
I was like, what?
Instant, motherly instinct.
Listen, I love kids. Ariel?
Yeah, just to give you guys like a quick little thing, there is a kiddies area. Most hotels, of course, have that. But those of you who come with your family, you got a kiddie area, small pool. There ain't gonna be no drowning there if they're careful, of course. And you know, the playhouse or whatever they call it, Rio Land. So yeah, you got a lot of options, guys. Yeah, there are a lot of options. Most people might not know, or maybe you do know. The Jamaican hotel industry was heavily built on the all-inclusive concept. So back in like the mid 80s to the 90s, like we were booming. Jamaica was doing very well economically with the whole, you know, all-inclusive. But of course everyone started using the all-inclusive method, and then it became, of course, not something that felt so exclusive anymore. So yeah, so this kind of concept is always great, I believe, for like family. You know, you're going with your family, you know, like Rosemarie did. You don't want to have to be thinking about like going out and trying different food. That's crazy. That make no sense. But if you're the one-off traveler like myself, you know, traveling in like an individual or traveling with your girlfriend or whatever, then you can do the other types of you know, hotels that Jamaica is trying to get even better at. Like the last couple of videos that I did at what's that place called again? I'm gonna turn around just for lighting. That place that's called Great Huts. That for me is perfect. It's a perfect way to explore Jamaica. But of course, you guys could come to an all-inclusive.
The pictures up, mate.
Yo.
No bees or anything like that.
But she got the, I like this.
That is. Get your slippers on. Get your
I like the detail. This, yeah. It's dope.
You know, if I tell you, I had that same song.
Yo guys, I can tell you, no joke, like it's a vibe. Like people getting along with each other like really well, especially Judah and Rosemarie. They're getting on really good. Like I tell you, yo, I normally put these stuff on my Snapchat. Like I'm not telling you to follow me on my Snapchat to, you know, gain no popularity or anything like that. But like sometimes when you guys watch the vlogs, people who really follow my vlogs and not just watch one video, sometimes you might ask me questions like, oh, where's this, where's who, where's whatever. Like on the Snapchat, you'll get a better idea, you feel me, as to what the vibe is. Because like I'm not gonna pick up my vlog camera to catch certain moments. Sometimes it's easier to just pick up my phone and just be like, boom, you know, snap something really quick. So yeah, follow me on Snapchat. I normally put my Snapchat name at the beginning and at the end of the videos. So yeah, and it's also in the description box as well. Guys, we're finally leaving the room after 3 years of the ladies getting ready. We're finally leaving the room, you see me? But let me show you how these girls look. Oh, baby skin is glowing. And tig. Look at that. Yep, everybody's gooch. Alright, so we at the pool. I don't even know if I'm gonna be going in the water. Not that kind of day. Maybe I will, maybe I won't. Again, with the damn, what you call it, plane. I can't really see my screen so well because I have the sunglasses on and stuff, so I don't know. Oh, snack just walked by. Yeah, a lot of beautiful people are out here, guys. Gotta appreciate the beauty. And yeah, boom. Alright, so I'm gonna try to get me a seat somewhere, I don't know. Let's show the lady over there. Yeah. The guy was like, so only one picture, and she was like, what? No, 1,000. 1,000 pictures. Yeah, I'm wrong here. But yeah, guys, I'm just here taking in the good view. I can't even get to see her body really good. It looks kind of dark. But yeah.
That's right, darling.
Change. Oh yeah, she getting her thing.
Yes.
And we just out here again taking in the good view. The camera's not picking up everything. You're not getting her glow.
Just dive in.
All right.
Right, I'm gonna do Victory.
Called your girlfriend ugly. Then I'm walking here with her.